And you'll also notice the other thing that it typically
But the water
does.
is not really clear. The water is actually brown, but it looks clear, you see? The water is brown, right? Two-dimensionally, it's painted brown, but the white is what pops and make it look translucent.
Whenever you're actually painting it, yes.
Dualistic, hence the reason they call it a wave-particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. You know, duality and contrast to polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. However, they share one subtle common denominator in terms of their polarity and nuances.
Segmental features, also known as prosody, explores areas like rhythm, pitch, meter, and actually intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation. So what does phonological features have to do with manic episode? When bipolar goes into mania, right, their tonality change. One of the phenomenon in manic episodes is they go into this solipsistic / existentialistic mode. So they kind of become this authentic kind of being where impulsivity